What's up guys, my name is Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be having a look on how to buy Shia token, a hot trending cryptocurrency that has been flying and trending and hyped all over Twitter or X in the last 24 hours. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So Shia token, Shiba Saga, how to buy. So you were on X yesterday and you saw this token right here trending number 2 on DexTool. A lot of people were hyped about it, and can this potentially be the next Pepe? We're going to be having a look on how you could potentially buy Shia token within seconds. Okay, so a lot of people don't know how to buy cryptocurrencies on DexTool or Uniswap. They missed the hype. You could obviously buy it on a MEXC listing or on a centralized exchange listing, but this is obviously the fastest way to do so, and it is decentralized. And of course, before it hits other big exchanges, why not buy it here? And can we see a potential breakout right now happening? So you go right here, your favorite influencer is going to tweet the contract address, and you're going to go ahead and copy that contract address right here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to do your own research. You're going to go ahead and copy that contract address that you saw on Twitter. You're going to be like, wait, what is Shia? What is happening? Boom, the market cap is $5 billion. Obviously, the market cap is not $5 billion. It's just that no circling supply has been announced. The real market cap for Shia is approximately $23 to $24 million. I think $25 million. Okay, so that's what's happening right now. You guys can see that in the last hour, the volume has been $835,000, almost 1 million. And in the last 24 hours, we're sitting at $22 million worth of volume. That is a lot of volume. The last time we saw volume like this early at a $25 million market cap was probably Pepe. So can this be the next Pepe, or if not, even flip Pepe, right? So we can see right here that a lot of whales are essentially converting their Shia token to Pepe. Okay, we could see the volume is sitting at $80,000 in the last 5 minutes. This thing is currently breaking out, traded at 50 cents. I wouldn't be surprised if we see $10 by the end of next week. Okay, that is a 20x return from here. Currently trending number 2, market cap, like I said, $25 million, not billion. This is really not accurate right here. Does need to fix this. The buy tax is 0%, sell tax is 0%. The DEX score is 89 out of 99. Contract has been verified. You got a lot of money, a lot of people flowing into this right here. A lot of whales are buying Shia token, and that's about it. So if we have a look right here on Uniswap, we click Uniswap right here, and you want to buy the shitcoin. You're going to go ahead on Ethereum because that's what you will be buying with, and you're going to go ahead and select token. Once you select token, you're going to go ahead and copy and paste that address on select token. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and hit max, or it's better to leave a little bit. So let's say $16. Once you do $16 right here, you're going to go ahead and hit swap. Once you hit swap, you're going to go ahead and confirm that swap, and you're going to essentially confirm it right here. Once you confirm it right here, you should get a notification that your transaction has been fully confirmed, and that's it. Your transaction has been set and done. So that's how you pretty much do it. It's very simple, very easy. And you could pretty much do it with any shitcoin. So let's say you want to buy Pepe right here, or you want to buy Goose right here. You're going to do the same thing, copy that address. You want to buy Spurto, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to copy that address, do it, and that's about it. So that's how you buy a shitcoin on Uniswap step by step. Right now, my coin that I'm really eyeing, a coin, I think this thing will be the next big thing in my opinion. I think we could see Shia in the multi-million-dollar market cap cryptocurrency. And that's about it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.